Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to click here and click open data folder. You're going to click that twice to where you have two open data folders right next to each other. They look identical, just like this. You're going to take one of them and go to Mac desktop and then go to whatever strategy. So I just got this one. So I want to test it out because this is the one I got made. And I'm going to come here and go to MQL4. Go to indicators, and I'm going to come here and I'm going to right click, click copy. I'm going to come over here. I'm going to click right click, and then I'm going to click paste. What I'm going to do is click X, quit. And then when you reload it, those exact indicators will be in there. And you'll do the same thing with templates. See, this one didn't have a template, but you'll just go to the template and do the same thing. You'll just copy and paste it in. So when this comes back, then you would just put all the indicators on the screen by hitting insert and then hit custom, and then they're all there. And that's it.